Go 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now at the 5 mile point.
At the 5 mile point. So on this Midland 7709, full forward output. Got a switch to low power, and it's preset on this, and it's measured at 320 milliwatts. It's not far off the 400 milliwatts it should be. So here we go. At the moment we're taking 1.5 amps, 54321. 320 milliwatts, and the radio is running 400 milliamps. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that. No problem on full power apart from the beginning where you were getting stamped on, and low power had to override the squelch. There's quite a bit of noise on the band today. Sorry, say again with the channel.
Channel for 32, please.
Yep, on channel.
21, Mr. Chippy.
Yep, go ahead.
Probably a little bit better. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby Level Crossing.
Yep, 147.9, 155.9.
Well, as far as the radio goes, that works fine. Just the interference today. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippy. Now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9, 155.9.
Excellent. Well, as far as the radio goes, that worked fine. It's just the interference today. 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Okay, well, I'm not sure whether these sets are susceptible to bleed over, but I've got noise on all the channels. But it might be it might be radio conditions. It's not like I've got another setup I'm going to compare with. So we're going to go through to our base station. We're going to use a factory original mic. It didn't come with this radio, but it is the correct type for this radio. I've set the deviation up for the mic I've been using, so it's actually going to be a bit high. So it's going to sound louder, but it's actually wider. So don't want you to be fooled by that. We're listening to the treble and bass, and we want microphones on communications to be trebly, not bassy, not muffled. So don't tell me, oh, the original mic sounds louder. Well, it will do, because the deviations then mismatch. So here we go.
21, testing the Midland 77099 with the standard replacement mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, now 1. Now we're going to go over to low power just in case of the hum. Find the switch. Low power is now 320 milliwatts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to full power. There we are, back on full power. These don't set from hum though. We'll go over to the factory original type of microphone. 21, testing the factory original microphone with this Midland 77099. This is an Electrex condenser type mic. So there we go. We have a Maxcom 21E next, a little fairy light set.